Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this gorgeous ponytail on this lovely amazing coily wig. You can actually achieve this hairstyle in the next 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes. The only thing that will make it to be a little bit up to 15 to 25 minutes because you have to lay it down with a scarf. So now I'm just spraying with a little bit of water. Then I'm going to be using this olive oil, coconut mousse. So after doing that, I'm going to be brushing it down. You can actually use any hair gel of your choice. I'm going to be using this got2b hair gel because I want to hang this wig somewhere. So anytime I want to take my daughter to school because we are resuming back, I'll just throw it on back on my head and just go out. So that is the main reason why I love this hairstyle. It's very easy for you to revive this coil back if you are tired of rocking these ponytail style. You wash the hair, then just revive the coils back with hair coils or mousse, anyone you like. So just brushing the hair down. This hairstyle can only last you for some weeks. I didn't say months or years, no, it can only last you for some weeks. So I have to allow you to know that. I'll be spraying it down with this got2b hair spray. This is optional. If you don't want to spray it down, if you just want to use only the gel, you can go with it and it's perfectly fine. It's not a must for you to use all what I use before you achieve this hairstyle. So I took the ponytail down to repack it again. I want the front part to come down to be low very well. That was the main reason why I took it down to repack it again. So this is what I want, just laying it down with a hairbrush. So that is it. That was the main reason why I took it down. I want it to be very, very, very low. I'm going to be using this bobby pin to hold the back down at the middle because I want the ponytail to be everywhere. If I look at the side, I should look at the ponytail. The left, look at the ponytail. Into the mirror at the front, I should be seeing the ponytail. So that is why I'm just using one bobby pin to hold it at the middle. So after doing that, I'm going to be laying down a scarf. So that was the reason why I said it will take a little bit. Is the more you hold this down with a scarf, the more this hair is going to lay perfectly fine. So I can't wait for all minutes, so I have to show the final look. Now I'm going to be using a concealer just to define the parts. So this should look like my scarf. Can you see? They're going to think this is my hair. If you don't know, this is my hair. So this is the final look, showing you the back, what the back look like. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please click on the subscribe button, comment down below, share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao, love you.